Alrighty, this is one hell of a beautiful piece in excellent all original condition. You've got a watch, all original, including the original Rolex strap. It's very hard to see, but you can still see the Rolex sign and crown. And the Rolex buckle. It's gold plated. Also very rare to find it original, especially in condition this phenomenal. Then the dial itself is just fantastic. It's white sunburst, pristine, very thin applied gold indices along with some black thin lines. The Rolex crown. And the case back. Only the case back has a few scratches, but everything else is super minty. Winds very smoothly. Comes with the original inner red box, which is very rare as well, and the original outer box. Ta-da!